How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Now for reference, I'll go and delete a friend from my list. To do that, go tap your profile Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on your friend list. In here, just click on the username, tap on the three dots icon and choose Manage Friendship. In here, choose Remove Friend. After that, there is only one way to find that deleted friend in our Snapchat account, and that is to search their username on the search bar. So tap the search icon on top of the screen, type in their name account, and their username will then show. Tap on them, click on their profile on the upper left, and then simply add them again. So that is how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.